So one bag down, 14 to go. This is going to be a exciting day. Hello guys, it's a new day in the renovation of our house from 1936, and today all of this is going into this. Using this and using this and using these. So one bag down, 14 to go. This is going to be a exciting day. Today I'm working on the middle section of the foundation. It's a structural thing, and it's not insulated or anything. It's just a concrete block wall that is halfway through the foundation in order to relieve some of the span that is going across from the from end to end from the foundation. And I can just show you what it looks like. It's the thing right there. A little difficult with the light, but you can probably make out that there's blocks of concrete in the middle, and those are just going across all the way over to here, to this section right there. And this is just a task of making sure that it's level, so that once we put in the concrete and the insulation, then everything is nice and level, and things doesn't pop up weird places. And that is basically the task that I'm working on now. I managed to complete the support wall in the middle, and it's not. The purpose of it is to support, so it doesn't require to be absolutely level, because when the concrete comes in, it will be filled out. This is how it looks. The reason why it curves like this is because the trench and the concrete down there is are having that same curve, so it's just laying on top of that. But I'm fairly happy, and it's reinforced with steel, and I don't know if it's possible to make out. Probably not. But all in all, I'm very happy, and I think that it's a good result. And now I'm just ready to begin to compress the sand that is here, or gravel that is around here, using that machine. And that is what I'm going to do now.